Horas, this is Universe Mythology and Mythology Alam Semesta again. Today we are gonna talking about who have built the giant building and when. We can find huge building all around the world, from Guatemala to Egypt to Indonesia, Peru, and all over the world. This building built when the human size is over 12 meters, and that's why they can build the huge building like that and set the big stone orderly. And in that era, human also found a substance that can boost the manpower. And next, what happened? Disaster. The question is, why now the human size is getting smaller? According to the fact of the nature, the human tall above 12 meters, they lived before the big flood. There were 2 times big flood, and on the big flood, human survived on the boat. They live with limitation food, limitation water, and that's why their generation getting smaller like us now. So how to determine when they live, when the big flood? They live before the big flood twice. How we determine when was the big flood? According to the fact on the nature, on the universe, when we go to the top of the high mountain, for example, in Pusuk Buit Mountain in Samosir, where we can find the nature give evidence on the stone on the top of the mountain where there is a mark of the water. From that stone, we can determine when the big flood happened and how many times. It was 2 times, because they have different age. It was happened thousands years ago and millions years ago. So that is what the experts say, unsolved mystery. But when we see the fact on the nature, we can solve the mystery. There's nothing unsolved mystery on the nature. Okay, what is your comment? Write down below to improve our channel for our next generation learning and lesson.